Alright guys, so my dash is gonna have a few 10 millimeters here, corner, one there, and both top corners as well. So once you pull those off, you can pull this panel back. But we have the AT oil temp, the seat belt, the brake light, the battery light, check engine light, oil temperature, oil pressure light, and the high beam. Alright guys, so here's what I have. I have the harness, the connectors, the radio right there. Here's the radio harness, the radio, Bluetooth mic, remote, some hardware, the radio itself. So for now I'm just going to go ahead and start by hooking these two up, and I'll put this in the car and test it out. Two are for illumination. I'm just gonna connect these and test them out. And the grounds, I'm not sure if I want to connect these two and then ground on the chassis. And then this is for the remote amp, but there's no amp in there, so let's go to this blue one. Let's go ahead and test this out. Here's the tire. Here are the tires I'm going to use. So, they are Federal Collision, ATs, all-terrains, black letters on one side, and the white on either side. The blue is just like the coating I have on them. I want to put the white on the outside, but after like a few years, the white starts like chipping. It doesn't look great. So yeah, these are 265/70/16, which is what I have on the 4Runner already. You can see these tires are shot. They've seen better days. I am missing a center cap from this side. What we're going to do right now is actually going to reseal the oil pan. Got some sea butt. It's leaking. So, I'm going to start by removing that 14 right there, catching the old fluid. Make sure you disconnect the dipstick. Transmission pans and transfer cases, you're going to want this FIPG. It's the orange stuff, it's not the black stuff.